flexible, and ready to carry groceries. They say I'm lightweight and convenient. I'm designed for greatness. Let's take the bag to the grocery store. Plastic bag. Look at me, holding all these apples. I'm the star of the supermarket. But no one tells me what happens next. Scene 2. The trash begins. Plastic bag is thrown away dramatically. Plastic bag confused. Wait, what's happening? What's happening? Why am I in this dirty bin? I was used only once. Once, I thought I was special. Plastic bottle entering.
Welcome to the dump, buddy. I am Bottle. I have been here for 5 years already. They never recycle us. We just sit over.
Straw rolling in. Hey guys, I'm headed to the ocean. Ever tried ruining a turtle's life? It's what I do best. Plastic bag shocked. That's horrible.
Plastic bottle. Oh, it gets worse.
Scene 3. Lost at sea.
So many of you. So much plastic. I can't breathe. The fish are dying.
Plastic bag floating slowly. Dear diary, I am drifting now, somewhere off the coast. I saw a turtle today. I thought it was a jellyfish. Turtle enters, swimming slowly. Tries to eat the bag. Turtle choking sound.
Why do you look like food? I can't tell the difference.
Plastic bag guilt-ridden. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't ask to be here. Scene 4. Rescue and realization. Fisherman appears with a net. Pulls the plastic bag out. Fisherman disgusted. Oh, more plastic trash. It's killing the ocean. Recycler enters energetically. Wait, I can take that. That bag can become something new. Maybe a backpack or a park bench. Plastic bag hopeful. Really? I can be useful again? Recycler. Yes, you don't belong in the ocean. You belong in the recycle bin. So you can be reborn, not cause harm. Scene 5. Final monologue. Plastic bag thoughtful. Dear diary, I was made to be used once, but I was around for years together. I heard things I never meant to, but now I have a second chance. To you watching, please reuse, reduce and recycle and think before you throw me away. Now I would like to call upon all the cast to come on stage and chant a slogan.